Here are 18 reasons to start your bin cleaning business now. Startup costs are low. There are no franchise fees. You're offering to do a job that no one likes to do themselves. The cost to the consumer is low, and the results produce tangible satisfaction. Everyone who has trash bins is a potential customer. The demand for the bin cleaning service will continue to grow. You can be up and running quickly. It's a business with recurring revenue and low overhead. You can structure the business around your home and family. There's no weekend work, and it makes a great home-based business. You can operate part-time or full-time. There are great tax write-offs, and it's easy to finance. Most areas have little or no competition. It's also a proven business model. This service has been successful in the UK for years. You can use your equipment to pick up power washing jobs as well. Cleaning businesses in general have great upside. You can build a profitable business that will generate revenue quickly. With bin wash systems, you can keep costs low and margins high. To learn more about our equipment, visit us at binwashsystems.com.